This video is about how to add call out titles to your project. So call out title is kind of a way that you point to something that you want to show in the video. Not very useful if the camera's moving around, but if the camera's still, because the actual titles themselves don't move around, you can use these as little features. They're quite useful. So I'm going to use this one. Again, it's just in the title section. I'm just going to pull one over here from the call out bottom left. You can see there's a bottom left, bottom right, top left, top right. Now if I come, because we've got the fade in that's happening here from the previous title, we've got this here, and I can click and drag the whole thing around and determine where they actually are. So I want it to be here, and what I want to bring to attention is I'm going to go to edit, so I can now click to bring to attention, and I can just call this principled way, because that is what it is, our little pathway. Still just clicking and dragging, moving around so it points where I want. You can see that you can actually go down here and you can change the color of either the shape or of the dot, and also of the line itself. So you can go and change those colors around and adjust it, but it's a really good way if you've got an image or a still image, you want to point something out and you're talking to it, that you can show the viewer where you need them to look.